Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Bob's TR3 Restoration. I just looked and I can't believe it's been 10 months since I made my last episode. We've been doing a lot of traveling. I did get another car that I've been working on, so it's been taking up some of my time. Also, I've been doing some projects for the wife. So time slips by fast when you don't realize it. Anyhow, I did do some mechanical restorations because I needed a break from the body work. It was just, it's pretty tedious work, and I just felt like I needed something else to get me going and get me inspired again. So I did restore the starter, the generator, the master cylinder and clutch cylinder housing, and the horns. With the generator and the starter, I sandblasted everything and took it completely apart and put new bushings and bearings in both of these units. So they both now have new bearings and bushings in them. Tested them and they are working as they should. So I'm very happy with the way they turned out. There's a number of videos on YouTube that are very helpful for doing both of these. So I'm happy that there's other guys out there doing the same sort of videos. Sandblasted all this stuff, sandblasted the horns, and repainted them. So I got a break from doing the body work. However, we do have body work done, and that we're going to go over into the other garage and show you that. So we have been doing some body work, and I have a good friend that just retired from the restoration industry, and he was a body man for many, many years. He's been so nice to come over and giving me a hand getting these doors and wings absolutely perfectly flat. There is just an ever so thin layer of filler on these just to get it perfect. So these wings and the doors are as straight as I can possibly get, or as straight as they can possibly be gotten on these cars. So this side is done, and I'm getting ready to show you the other side. So this side, the wing and the door are also ready for priming. Tomorrow morning, we're going to be putting on a high build primer, and then we'll be ready to do final block work. After we do the apron, the bonnet, and the cowl. This car is coming along so much quicker, the body work is coming along so much quicker than what I had hoped for. Thanks to my friend helping me out. I'm so happy to have him helping me. And tomorrow morning we shoot some primer on here. I'm going to be going away for a couple weeks, so I'm going to be taking a couple weeks off, but hopefully when I get back, we can knock this out in a couple more weeks and get this thing completely in high build primer. So things are moving along. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.